So we're going to make a simple salad with some red cabbage. We've got sprouted lentils here, which I'm going to mix with some sauerkraut, my homemade sauerkraut, which I make with a lot of red cabbage, which gives it the red colour. Why do I make it with red cabbage? Because red cabbage has got lycopene in it, and I'm 71, and like everyone, all males of my age, I'm preoccupied with my prostate the whole time. So lycopene is very good for your prostate. So if you're an old git like me, I recommend making your sauerkraut with red cabbage, and have some watermelon as well, lots as a snack. Watermelon's got lots of lycopene in as well. Okay, yeah, and it goes. I found that sauerkraut goes very well with sprouts, and I'm going to mix some black olives in with the sprouts as well, and then we're going to make a salad with French dressing, just red cabbage, and a little bit of cucumber to offset the red cabbage, and some onions. Of course, onions go with everything. And then some avocado. Avocado is great as a palate cleanser. Yeah. So if you're eating something and you want a bit of a refreshment from what you're eating, just eat a bit of avocado, and it's great palate cleanser. So the French dressing we're going to make with apple cider vinegar, organic, of course. Is there any other kind? Cold pressed olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, not organic, I'm afraid. And then we're going to finish our meal with some miso. So eat the miso at the end of your meal because it's an appetite suppressant, among many other things. See my video, the 28 at least, health promoting properties of miso. Okay, that's why the Japanese live so long, or one of the reasons. Okay, so right, so first of all, let's start with our sprout mixture. Okay, so I'll shut up now because I'm like Gerald Ford. I can't walk and chew gum at the same time, as Lyndon B. Johnson famous said of Gerald Ford. He actually said he can't fart and walk at the same time. But it was sanitized by the journalist. Anyway, I'm one of those people, so I'll shut up, otherwise I'll be making mistakes. Okay, so here we go. Okay, back in avocado.